What up, Jeff here with all my Bitcoin Renegades. And we failed to stay above 49,000 on the weekly. So basically, like I said, we were gonna go up and we were gonna try to break 50,000 again. And if we didn't, now we're gonna go down. Well, let's go in and look at what is going on now with Bitcoin. Let's see. Ooh, unfortunately, look. We tried to go up here again. We made it to, what is that today? Yep. We made it to 49,000 again. Barely to 49,200. And we failed to break it. So we failed to break it here. We failed to break it here, and a third time failed to break it here. So it looks like we caught some support, but it looks like that support is breaking right now. It just keeps going down further and further and further and further. So Bitcoin is looking pretty toast for right now. Hopefully 47,950 is the bottom, but as you saw, this was a bottom for a second. This was a bottom for a second, and now this is a bottom for hopefully more than a second. Hopefully that is the bottom. But if not, we're going to go lower and lower. We're going to go all the way down to 46 to the 200-day moving average. So the bears keep breaking Bitcoin every time. Every single time that we make a go for it. Look, we went down to 47,801 last time. And now we're down to what? 47,950. Well, if that is the bottom, then we're at least getting higher lows. That will be okay for Bitcoin there. But look, so now all my $500 investments and AMP, my $520 investment, it's just going down, 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 down. I mean, everything is just in the loss. It's just dwindling, dwindling, dwindling. I can't believe this with AMP. Look at it. It went all. This is what makes me so mad. It went all the way up to 758 right here, and I could have sold for a nice profit. It would have been a several $100 profit off of $500. And look, now I'm $8 in the loss. I was over $200 in the profit here. Now I'm $8 in the loss. $9. I mean, and it just keeps dropping. I don't like crypto when it does this. It just, like you make some purchases and then all of them go bad. Every single one. It's like, what? Man, but this is what you got to do. You just got to hold through times like this. It sucks. I want to sell right now so I don't lose more money. But what if they, keep going up? But look at this. Now I'm like 5 cents in the loss on this one. It just keeps going down, 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 down. And yeah, so it's time to just hold. Time to gear up and hold because I'm not selling for a loss. And I know the graph will go over a dollar again. I just got to wait. So there's no doubt in my mind that graph will go over a dollar again. None. I know it will. So an AMP, I know it's going to go up again, but this is I'm kind of disappointed in AMP on this one. Because why would it just go all the way up to 758 and then all the way back down to where it was just at? I mean, can you answer that question? What is up with that? Look at this on the month. It doesn't really make sense. I went to 768 and then what, 750 over here? Or 717. I have no clue what that means. Whatever it was. And then whenever this was, July 30th. Okay, well, this was August 23rd. August 23rd. So let's check what this one was. Yep, August 23rd. Why are they two different prices though? 9 a.m. August 23rd. $7:02. 9 a.m. 6:39. That's 9 p.m. That's why. 9 a.m. 7:02. Okay, yeah, they're the same. I was like, man, if they're giving us different prices, I'm not gonna be happy. But look, all the way up to 12. But now it's doing nothing but dump. Now I'm $10 in the hole. Like every second, I'm losing $1. That's not how I like doing this. Look at that. It just keeps going. It's lower. And it just keeps going lower, lower, lower. All of the money just keeps going, guys. This is the end of everything. Look, now it's just going to lose all the money you put in there. All of it's gone. We're down to zero. I mean, that's how it feels when this happens. It's just like, man, everything's gone. It just like, I mean, when I made these purchases, they were good purchases at the time. Now, I would never see me purchasing up here where I was at 25 cents here. And I mean, I'm basically a little below broke even here because of the spread. But actually, I'm point that 5.8. I'm actually 3 above where I bought in. But I'm actually at a loss because, you know, the spread. So I had to pay. So technically, I'm not really that far in the loss on a lot of these. Yeah, I'm like $10 in the loss on this one. I'm about $10 in the loss on this one. And I'm about $30 on the loss on this one because it just keeps going down. Um, yeah, it just keeps going down, 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 down. It tried to break out right here, and then it just gets slammed. When it doesn't break out, it literally just slams you down. And it sucks when every single trade that you're in the negative. It doesn't feel good. It just like makes you want to throw up a little bit. You know, it's like, man, this is not, you don't get in the market to lose money. So when every single trade that you're in is in the negative in one day, yeah, it makes you just not like it at all. It just, I wouldn't have got into crypto if this was the case, but this is why we just sit through the bear markets, right? So this is a mini bear market inside of a bull market. And I knew, yeah, no, we're toast. So it just keeps going down to further and further lows. So yeah, we're toast. We're going to go all the way down to 46,000 now. So Bitcoin is done for this week. We can reset and try again for next week. But yeah, we're toast. We're going all the way down. Yeah. We tried. I told you if we didn't break out this time that we're going down, and it didn't. We didn't even try. I mean, this was the most pathetic attempt that I've ever seen in my life. Look at this. It couldn't even get up to where it was before. Look at this pathetic attempt at 49,200 and just bleh. We're weak. We can't even carry any weight. We look at this stupid level. It's a $50,000 psychological. Yeah, I'm irritated tonight. I'm not worried. I'm irritated about it. It's irritating. It's like, man, it's big entities playing with my money. That's what it is. You guys are playing with my money. Quit playing. Quit playing games. Just let Bitcoin go up already. I know you want to make your little leverage trading garbage, but the rest of us in the real world want to make some money off of our Bitcoin and our altcoins. Not leverage trading like freaking, thinking you're going to beat the system that is designed and calculated to beat you. It is, all the smart people got together and designed a system that can beat you. Other smart people. That's what it's designed to do, is beat other smart people. And to think you're going to win at leverage trading, the only reason those guys win at leverage trading is because they work with the exchanges. I could show you an email from an exchange, and all they want you to do is push their exchange, and then they'll pay you. So it doesn't matter whether they leverage trade on there or not. They're getting paid for sponsoring Bybit and Femex or whatever ones that they sponsor. I don't even think they really trade over there. In my honest opinion, I don't think crypto YouTubers trade on there. I think it is only the leverage traders that pay them to do it because they know almost every single person who leverage trades is going to get, their money gone. And it is a multi-billion-dollar racket, in my opinion. I mean, dude, you can't win at it. I mean, the only people that win are the exchanges. So, oh, wonderful. I love it when my TV just comes to life on its own and starts doing whatever it wants. Do you see that? I wouldn't touch anything. My TV just came on its own. I mean, I think I don't know. Sometimes I swear that my stuff is hacked, man. Because, oh, look at this. Now we're going down even further. Wonderful. Look at these stupid little peaks. I'm so irritated with crypto right now. It's like, yeah, I'm only in the loss like 20, but on every single, it isn't like one of them is doing good. And they're not even all the same kind of coin. Yeah, I guess they are all DeFi coins. Uh, Whatever this no, this is Flexa, so this isn't DeFi right here. This is different. So yeah, they process payment in fiat, potentially providing great, yeah. So this is not a DeFi coin, AMP, but Graph is DeFi for sure, is the DeFi coin. But it just indexes the data, so I don't even know if this is really a DeFi coin. I mean, it kind of it. What is considered a DeFi coin? It's got to be like in the decentralized finance, right? Well, this is just a Google indexer. So I don't see how that is decentralized finance. The data is grouped into open APIs called subgraphs that anyone can query. Yeah, that doesn't seem like DeFi to me, but I swear I've heard that Graph is a DeFi coin. Yeah, this DeFi's coin market cap shot from 0 to 750 million. Okay, so obviously I don't understand what a DeFi coin is because I thought a DeFi coin stand for decentralized finance. What does this have to do with decentralized finance? A decentralized protocol for indexing and querying data from blockchains. How is that decentralized finance? Is it querying data from decentralized finance blockchains? I mean, come on. What makes it decentralized finance? Um, I guess just because the decentralized indexing protocol. I don't know. It doesn't make a whole lot of sense. I bet not a whole lot of people know that answer. That's a question I have for you guys. If you can answer it, let me know in the comments below. Why is the Graph a DeFi coin? And what makes a coin a DeFi coin? And what is a DeFi coin? Maybe I'll do an episode on that. I'd have to do a lot of research to figure out just what, and I bet there isn't a whole lot of research on what a DeFi coin is because, yeah, decentralized finance coin, but this has nothing to do with DeFi. Not borrowing, lending, decentralized finance. This has nothing to do with any of those. But it said right there, this DeFi's coin. So I don't know. Let's see what request is. I mean, we've already looked at it. I always forget exactly what they are, though. Protocol for creating and requesting payments. Transactions on request network are immutably recorded and requests are processed without an intermediary. Yeah, that's right. Okay. Yeah, but for some reason now every coin that I picked is just going down. I mean, I guess most of the coins are going down today if we look. So it's not just my coin, but look at Orchid up. Look at Compound up. That's a DeFi coin right there. Why is it up? My DeFi coin's down. Okay, look at Lisk. Lisk is up 4%. Horizon's up. Waves is up. Band is up. And Filecoin, that isn't up. But District Ox is up. New Cypher's pretty far up. Look at Ren, 13%. Elrond is up. Nano's a little bit up. Scale is blasting off at 7%, but Fetch AI is just, taking over. 17%. But all of my coins, see? Why couldn't one of the coins that I picked be one of these 17 percenters? It irritates me because I pick coins all the time and not one of them that I picked this time blasted off. And normally when I pick, they blast off. So I'm kind of mad at myself. I'm mad at just the bad luck. Yeah, bad luck irritates me badly. Because, man, look at all these winners. And I didn't pick one of them. Not this time. Look at Fetch, Mana, Ren, New Cipher, ICP, Engine Coin, But no. And I had like, oh, $4,500 in borrowing credit now. Oh, and I've lost several $100s because I was at 11,500. Now I'm at 11,100. Now going back to 11,200. Yeah, look at that dump. 11,500 all the way down here to 11,100. I mean, look at that. That's not fun, dude. Who likes to lose $300 in a matter of 2 minutes? I mean, dude, that's not fun for anybody. And they do that. They just manipulate the money all the way down. And then, boom. And they want you to get mad and sell. It'd be like, oh no, oh no. Luckily, I've got past that. But it's still, instead of like making me want to sell now, it just irritates me. It's a different kind of, it used to worry me. When I first started, I'm like, oh no, man, I just put my money in now. I'm down on everything. And I have all right to be worried about that. I mean, every single one of my investments now is down today because of this garbage, whatever's going on that Bitcoin can't break. And it's this stupid psychological $50,000 level. You know how we broke it last time? Good news. World news. Elon Musk. Yep, last time that's what it was. It just kept propelling us to higher, and now we have no news. It's like, do you guys not understand that Bitcoin and the news go hand in hand? So we need like some good news here, Elon. This would be the perfect. Now, right here, earlier today at 3:29 p.m. today, okay? Elon Musk should have said, we're going to take we're going to take Bitcoin for Tesla cars now. If he would have done it at 3:29 p.m., we would have broke that resistance. He could see that we're going up to 49,000 again. The next time we go to 49,000, just say that you're going to take frickin' Bitcoin again, Elon. Quit playing games and let's get Bitcoin up. Okay, this is ridiculous. I mean, come on, somebody's got to do something to get us past this idiotic level. It's starting to be just stupid to me. Like, for real. I mean, guys. And I'll tell you why it's not breaking that level. Because every time we get close, crypto influencers and everybody is like, oh no, bearish. Oh, look at all the bearish signals. Oh, and if you look at every single, you could go to almost everyone except probably Cryptos R Us. Because George is always the one that, is like me and is like, just, calm down, get through it. Except I'm more irritated today. I'm still saying calm down, get through it, but this is kind of ridiculous. Makes me mad, but yeah, we're going to calm down and get through it. But all the other people are like, bearish. Oh, we got head and shoulders. Oh, we got rising wedges. Oh, we got bad. Oh, no, it's going down, baby. And then that's what happens. It doesn't necessarily go down, but it stops us from breaking those levels because then it goes on to the next person. The next person's like, oh, we're not going to make 50. So then that person who was going to put that buy order in at $50,001 decided, oh, I'm not going to do that. We're not going to break 50. So he went to 49.9. And instead of it going up, now it goes down. Instead of him putting the dollar up, he put it down. And then boom, trickle effect, Bitcoin goes down. And then there you have it. That's exactly what happens. I'm telling you. That is what's happening here. We're getting so close to these levels. And then all the people, oh, bearish, 50,000. No way. No, we can't. 50,000. No. And then we don't. So quit doing that. Quit putting your bearish news out there. There's bullish news right now. That you can see it right here. Let's go to Bitcoin. I saw the inverse head and shoulders on my Coinbase one. Look at this. Plain as day. Let's make my head smaller so that we can, see. But if, hold on. Can I turn on my brush for a second? Yes, I can. So look at this. Inverse head and shoulders right there. Still able to be played out. Yeah, because look at, and now we have a double bottom right here again. So this is good. This is going to blast us up. Whoops. Let's get rid of that. Okay, I'm going to put the head and shoulders back because they belong. There we go. But yeah, so all we have to do is break this neckline. Dang it. Why does it always? Okay, there we go. If we break that neckline, we should be good to go. Actually, I would say the neckline's up here now. And not even that high. I'm gonna say the neckline's right there. The top of that one. Honestly, that's where I think the head and shoulders neckline is. Because I actually, it might be up here on the top. So I know that's real sloppy looking, but I'm telling you, if we can break above that point and get up to right here, then that will be key. Let's look at what that level is, guys. Let's get rid of this. And see exactly what this level is right here. What is it? $49,843. That's what we have to get above. 49,843 dollars. So basically $2,000 more dollars than we are right now. We have to go up. And then we'll break the neckline because the neckline is probably more like this. Okay, I'm going to say that it's probably more like this. And that's really bad. Hold on. Let's see if I can't make that a little better. Nope. That was worse. There. That's better. I think that's more of what the neckline is. But I think it's going to have to break out to the top of the neckline. So maybe it isn't like that. Maybe it's just like that. So yeah, there's problems. We technically had a cup and handle pattern right here. See that? The handle, and then it broke out to the upside, but then it immediately dropped back, you know. So yeah, inverse head and shoulders is still here, guys. I didn't think it was gonna stay for this long. Now let's move this and let's look at the monthly now. And you can even see it in the monthly, guys. See? Inverse head and shoulders with the same neckline. Right there. So we are good to go. And actually, the neckline should be right there. You know, that's what doesn't make sense. We just aren't having the volume. And it seems like no one else is talking about that inverse head and shoulders. Now, technically, we have a bigger inverse head and shoulders on the monthly. Now, check this one out. Okay, watch this inverse head. I didn't even see that one until just now. Look at this. The head, shoulder, shoulder. Another inverse head and shoulders that you would have to go like that with. So now you have an inverse head and shoulders on the monthly too, a bigger one. Then you have the little inverse head and shoulders right here. So, and with the same neckline. Guys, we have inverse head and shoulders all over the place. So Bitcoin is going to blast off, I'm telling you. I didn't even see all these other ones, but I really think this is a head and shoulders. You could actually even do both of those and both of those. Yep. Inverse head and shoulders and smaller inverse head and shoulders. Both have about the same neckline. Right there. So I'm actually a little bit happy about Bitcoin, except that the price keeps going down and that it's probably invalidating this inverse head and shoulders. Look at that. It's ugly. Those drops down there are ugly. Look at those drops. It's like that is the ugliest thing that you could see in crypto. And then look at it try to go back up again, and then nope. The double top, that's the M drop. But now look at this giant double bottom it puts us in. That's on Bitcoin too, on the daily. Look at that, the giant double bottom now. From 48 or 47,801 now to 47,890. So yeah, we have a double bottom. So we need to just blast off, and hopefully this will be our trampoline bounce. So I'm going to show you the metaphor now that I was talking about in an actual writing setting, and this is going to be perfect for it. So technically, this is the floor of the trampoline. If you're jumping on a trampoline, this is Mr. Stick Figure person, okay? He is jumping on the trampoline. Okay, this is the trampoline floor. All right? You can see the legs of the trampoline and then the round area. And he's jumping on it, right? Okay, well, when you jump and you go down, well, the trampoline goes down with you. So, he's bouncing now. So this guy is bouncing on the trampoline. And you see, here's the bottom, the ground. Ooh, he's real close to the ground, too. He almost hit the ground. But he hasn't hit it yet. And now it's time to blast off. So, with all that momentum, hopefully this guy can go all the way to the top here and break this $49,000 level. And then our little stick figure guy will be way up here. Things will be good. And life is happy. What a bad drawing, but that was fun. Okay, guys, so Bitcoin is going up, going down. We need to keep an eye on it. If it breaks below this level right there, here, I'll show you again. If it breaks below this level right there, and we don't get a double bottom bounce, then we are going to go down to this level right here. All right, there. So 46,000. And then if we break below that, then we go to this level right here. And you want to know where that is? That is at 44,000. So if we break, we go to 46. We break more, we go to 44. We break more, we go to 43. And then all the way down to 38 from there. So we need to be careful. There is a lot, we could really fall a big ways right here if we're not careful, guys. So, all right, guys, that being said, keep an eye on all of my trades. I'm definitely starting to be in the loss in a lot of these right now. And hopefully, we get a nice dead cat bounce right here on that. And then we get a nice bounce off of this one too. I just hope we bounce everywhere right now. We've hit a bottom. It's bottoms up. Bottoms up. All right, guys, that being said, you know what time it is. Goodbye and good Bitcoin.